So we will now create stocks for our shop. Let us create some stock for our shop by going inside inventories info, stock group and creating the stock name hardware. So we have successfully created a stock name hardware, and now we will create units of measurement. Create pieces. It is already created, so it is showing duplicate entry. So we go escape and create stock item. Create stock items under the name. We can create the stock item for hardware such as desktop under hardware pieces, and now we can create a monitor under pieces, and hardware primary hardware enter monitor, and then we can buy keyboard. Basically all the hardware of the computer. Okay. Hardwares of computer pieces. Opening balance is 0. Keyboard and mouse. How can you forget about mouse? Hardware you can buy. Opening balance you can leave it empty, and then escape. And we can now buy and sell our stocks. Buy. Now you can see our stock summary. Under software we have this. So we have created the stock, but we have not created the stock for our hardware. So we first have to buy our stocks for hardware. So purchase, we have to first purchase stocks of our hardware. So for this we go to accounting vouchers and then purchase. Now for purchase we go to our supplier. Purchase is ABC Enterprise. Purchase ledger. We select desktop. How much quantity? Let's suppose 2 quantities of it. First, we don't take any much risk earlier. We buy laptop desktop of 1800 rupees, for example, suppose, and mouse monitor 2 pieces, 600 rupees, and we buy mouse 4 pieces, 200 rupees, 200 per piece, and we buy a keyboard 4 pieces, 160. So we have bought it under sundry creditor, means we have to pay the amount sometimes in the future later. So if we go and see our balance sheet, we will find the current liabilities, that is sundry creditor is 6240, the recent purchases that we have made for our stock. Okay, so ALT plus F1 is this. So we will now pay the credit amount. In the accounting vouchers we go to the payment section and we select cash, and we select our enterprise name, supplier name 600 to 40. Yes. So now we have paid our balance, the credit balance, the liability that we have to pay to the supplier for our recent purchase of hardwares. Now if we want to see our balance sheet, we can see that we don't have any liabilities now. Current liabilities is 0. ALT plus F1, current liabilities is 0. Sundry creditors is 0. We have thus successfully paid our amount. So if you want to now sell our stock, we can go to accounting vouchers and we go to sales section and we give a reference number like 1 to 4 and we select our customer. We select sales, name of the item. Suppose we want to sell two mouse. Okay, suppose two mouse at the rate of 200 rupees. Amount is 400. We select enter. Yes. So here we have sold a mouse at the rate of 200 per piece. So what we have done is we have sold the customer at the sundry debtors ledger, means the customer will have to pay us back in the future time. The amount is due on customer. So if we go to see our balance sheet, we can see that after pressing ALD plus F1, we can see the sundry debtors is 400 rupees. Means customer will pay us 400 rupees later in future time. Means it is due on कस्टमर, बाकी में उसने खरीदा है तो हम लोग को वो ये बाद में देगा, भविष्य में देगा वो बाद में. So you can see now if the customer wants to pay us back the amount of 400 rupees, our profit is, we can see the profit is 600 only, no extra profit. So if the customer pays us 400 rupees in the future, so we'll go to the receipt mode and we select cash, we select customer, 400 is due, customer has paid us 400 rupees, enter. Now customer has cleared his dues to us and we have also made no profit, but we will now have 0 sundry debtors. First it were 400 rupees, but now it is 0 because customer has paid us back the 400 rupees.